In this video, I'll show you how to use Circle to Search on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now, if you're using gestures, all you need to do is, with this gesture bar, is tap and hold on that gesture bar to launch Circle to Search, and then you want to circle on that particular item that you want to use Circle to Search for, and it's going to bring up the results just like that. Also, if you're using buttons, all you need to do is press and hold the home button, or tap and hold the home button, and it's going to launch Circle to Search, and you can now be able to circle on whatever item and then search for it. And you can even tap on select text to select text from that particular item that you just circled to be able to search for it as well. And you can swipe up to see the results of that particular item or that thing that you searched. Now, if you go into settings and then scroll all the way down and select system and update, and then tap on system navigation, you should see the Circle to Search option, which you can enable or disable from here if you're using buttons, or if you're using gestures, you can also find the Circle to Search option and you can enable it or disable it from there as well. That's basically how to use Circle to Search on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. If this was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.